Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today we're gonna be doing makeup, and to start off I'm gonna go straight in by doing my brows, and I'm gonna be using this Got to Be Glued Duo. It's for edges and also for eyebrows, and I saw it on TikTok. Yeah, TikTok made me buy it, so I'm gonna use that to comb through my brows and get them ready. TikTok also made me buy this NYX micro brow pencil. Yeah, my son said I should stay off of TikTok because it's making me buy a whole lot of stuff. But in my defense, there are definitely some amazing products, so I don't feel bad about buying them. Like this pencil, for instance, it gives me these little strokes in my eyes that mimic your eyebrows. Like they're so tiny, you could never tell. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brows, and I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer. I'm also applying it onto my lid, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out using a brush. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer from Morphe, and I'm going to be using this as my transitioning color today. I'm also going to be using this palette from Juvia's Place for my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be going in with this really dark shade right here. So I'm adding this one on the outer corner of my eyes, as you can see there, and then I'm going to blend it inwards. Before I get any further with this video, guys, I want to show y'all some pieces of jewelry I got from Ana Luisa. I show you guys their jewelry all the time because I really love them, and here we go. I'm going to be showing you guys some more. Here's a look at the first one that I'm going to be trying. Since my camera isn't giving a really good look at it, I'm going to be showing you guys a pic from the website. I just found out recently that these jewelry are hypoallergenic, and that is so amazing because you ever wear these necklace and it itch around your neck, even earrings and stuff like that. I mean, I can't do certain jewelry because they itch so much and give me rashes, but these does not do that at all. And another thing too, they stay the color for a very long time. All the jewelry I got from them stays the color. I also got this one, a K necklace, you know, because my name starts with K, of course. And I really love this piece so much. They are tiny, and I believe that's what makes them look so elegant, and me, I love elegance, so I really don't mind that they're small. Here we go with the third one. It's an heart shape with a little diamond in it, and I think it is just so cute. I mean, even if you're not into jewelry like that, you could always give them as a gift, and they have them in gold and silver tone. I have been showing y'all pieces from them since last year, and I still have those, and they are still the same as when I got them. They haven't changed at all. They are also very affordable, so I definitely recommend 100% go on their website and see if you find anything that you like. The last piece is gonna be this snake chain, and this is the second time I'm getting this one because I absolutely really love it. You guys have probably seen it on me in a lot of my videos because it's like I don't take this one off at all. I try to switch it up, but I go straight back to it because I really love this one. Once again, guys, these pieces are from Ana Luisa, and you could go on their website and see if you find anything that you may like. Okay, back to makeup. Now I'm going to go in with this orange shade from my Juvia's Place, and I'm going to apply it right on top in the middle right here, kind of in a slanted you know, direction. And then I'm going to brush it inwards towards the bottom part of my eyelid. Here I'm applying some of the orange shade in like a really thin strokes going up in the crease of my eyes, as you can see there. Now I'm gonna go in with like a shimmer shade. It's gonna be like silver. I kind of wish I used something golden for this, but hey, this is what we're using, okay? Here I'm applying some eyeliner. I wasn't gonna do this on camera. This is the reason why I'm already halfway finished with it. But then I decided to do it like at the last minute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use some concealer and clean that up. These are the lashes I'm going to be using today. I believe I got these on Temu or AliExpress. I'm not 100% sure, but they are 25 millimeters. Now I'm going to start off my face by applying some of my Nivea cream. I want to start it off with a nicely moisturized skin. And then for primer, I'm going to be using this one from NYX. And don't mind me there, I was just enjoying my music. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Inflammable by L'Oreal. And let me tell you, I'm a big fan, a super big fan of L'Oreal foundation. I must add that because it's the summertime and my skin tone is getting darker, I had to hop for a darker shade, and this is the reason why I'm wearing this one today. Blend out my foundation. I'm going to be using this foundation brush by Il Makiage, and I just sprayed some hydrating rose water on it just to moisten it a little bit. Now I'm going to add some concealer on my face, and I'm going to be using the same one from earlier by Too Faced. I'm also going to go ahead and apply my Fenty Beauty contour stick on my face, and I'm going to blend that out right before the concealer. And now I'm going to blend out my concealer, and what you see me doing there is spraying some more of that rose water on my face just to hydrate it a little bit so we could have a seamless blend with this concealer. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to be going in with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to be using my Real Technique brush to apply it. And now we're going to add some translucent powder, and this is the one I'm using today. I actually didn't get the clip applying it, but we're going to go in with the bronzer. My SD card filled up, and that's the reason why that got cut out. Here I'm using some of that same bronzer to contour my nose. Now I'm going to use this little puff to pat away the excess translucent powder and just push it into my skin. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Skin Finish powder, and this I'm going to be applying all over my face. And now I'm going to go in with my highlighter from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and the lip liner I'm using is just one of those from the beauty supply store. Here I'm using the bottom of the lip liner pencil to smudge it out a little. For my lips, I'm going to be using one of my favorite from NYX. Now I'm adding some lip oil to give it that sheen that I'm going for. I want it to look real glossy. To finish this look off, I'm going to go ahead and set it using my Rose Water Setting Spray from Maven Beauty. And y'all going to see me use these setting spray for a very long time because I stock up on them. They had a sale where they were selling them for 98 cents each. You heard that right, 98 cents each. So I bought a whole bunch. This is the final look, you guys. I know I haven't done makeup in a long time, and I've been getting people requests for makeup looks, so I decided to do one today, and here we are. I am absolutely loving it. I haven't been doing my makeup on YouTube, but I have been doing it for TikTok and Instagram, but you know, I have been switching up a little bit. So yeah, this is what we're working with today. Guys, remember to check out Ana Luisa for some of those amazing jewelry pieces I show you today. I have a very strong feeling that you're gonna like them. All the information will be linked in the description box along with my discount code and all that good stuff. If you find this video helpful, as usual guys, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!